Hello, my pre-calculus student. In this video, we learn how to convert between degrees and radians. First, you might recall from your geometry class that an angle is divided by two sides, the initial side and the terminal side. The two sides share a common endpoint. We call this as the vertex. Now we are going to learn a new term. An angle is the position when the vertex is at the origin of the xy plane and the initial side is along the positive side of the x-axis. And the measure of an angle is described the amount of rotation from the initial side to the terminal side of an angle. Now, for angle, we do have positive angles and negative angle. Positive angle is generated by a counterclockwise rotation from the initial side to the terminal side. So this angle is a positive 45-degree angle because 1 for counterclockwise rotation is 360 degrees. A negative angle, you can see this angle is a negative 60-degree angle. This angle, negative 60-degree angle, is generated by a clockwise rotation from the initial side to the terminal side. So now we know how to draw a positive angle and how to draw a negative angle. Usually the common measure of angles is in degrees. So now we want to learn a new unit. So now we learn this new unit is called radians. So let me go ahead and sketch an angle again. So let me just get a positive angle. I'm going to call that the angle theta. Okay. So this positive angle, this is the angle theta. So this angle is greater than 90 degrees. It's an obtuse angle. So we say that angle theta is the ratio between the arc length and the radius. Now, the arc length is the length of the arc that intersects the angle theta on our circle. So the distance from here to here, this is the arc length. Okay, so we call that distance is S. And the radius, of course, we know that half of the diameter. So we say that when the arc length equals the radius, then the angle theta in this case will be just cancel away because S equal R, so we just equal 1. And this 1 unit we call 1 radian. Okay. So now we have a new unit. It's called radian. So let's go ahead and write it down in Word. The measure theta in radian is the ratio of the arc length S to the radius R Okay, so let's learn how to convert between degrees and radians. So I'm going to show you very simple way to do your conversion. So let's copy this ratio. So I want you to use this proportion and it says that just go ahead and x over y, and x will be, I'm going to put x radian over y degrees equal pi radians over 180 degrees. So now we use this proportion to convert between degrees and radian. So let's begin with this example. I'm going to call it example 1. So if we want you to convert 120 degrees to radian, so again you are going to set it up. So you will have what x radian over 120 degrees equal pi radian over 180 degree. Okay, now we are going to go ahead and do cross multiply between these two ratio with the equal sign in the middle. So we take 120 times pi divided by 180. Then x radian. So again, x is the unit in radian, equal 120 degrees times pi radian divide by 180 degree. So now let's simplify. So degrees units gone. So now we will end up the unit for x will be in radian, which is what we're looking for. So we take 120 times pi divided by 180. Then x equal 120 times pi divided by 180. The unit is radian. And of course we can continue to simplify. So the 0 is gone. Now 12 divided by 18, we can divide all by 6. So that will give me, so if we divide by 6, 12 divided by 6, it gives me 2. And 18 divided by 6 will give me 3. And pi stays. So now the unit will be 2 pi over 3 radian. So now we just convert from 120 degree to radians. So we can conclude that 120 degrees equal 2 pi over 3 radian. Now let's move on to example 2. So let's convert from, so now we go from, let's go from radian to degrees. So let's convert negative 3 pi over 2 radians to degrees. So again, using the ratio or the proportion that we just show you. So we put right here, we have x radians over y degrees equal pi radians over 180 degree. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and substitute x for negative 3 pi over 2. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and replace x for negative 3 pi over 2 radian. So now we are going to cross multiply from the given portion. So you will take negative 3 pi over 2 times 180 divided by pi. Okay. Then so y equal negative 3 pi over 2 radian times 180 degrees divided by pi radians. Now when you go back and simplify to the radian units, it's gone. And now let's go ahead and simplify the numerator first. So now we will have y is equal. So we have pi in the denominator. On the numerator, we will have negative 3 pi times 180 divided by 2. And the unit right now will be the degree unit. And we continue to simplify. So when we divide, we multiply by reciprocal. So negative 3 pi times 180. So the two denominator, we multiply them up to give over 2 pi. Next, we are going to reduce. So the pi gone. So now we will multiply negative 3 times 180 will give us negative 4. Let me see. 8. Let me check. So negative 18 times negative 18 times 3. So this will be negative 540 divided by 2. And again, the units is in degrees. And if we continue to simplify, that will give us negative 270 degrees. So now we can conclude that negative 3 pi over 2 radians is the same as negative 270 degrees. Now for the degrees units, you can write them out at a degrees, or you can use this symbol or this notation at the tiny zero on the exponent. Okay, so let's write down the summary. In this video, we learned how to convert between degrees and radian. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in class. Goodbye.